Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to my vlog. This is the channel where I am fixing the framing, where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech, and stuff that's hype. And for today's episode, we are going to check out the BAPE G-Shock. So this is the one with the camo design and the camo look. Looks really kick-ass. So if you are into hype stuff, if you are into streetwear and you love G-Shocks or you kind of like G-Shocks, this is the vlog for you. We're going to unbox it, put it on wrist, check it out. Let's go. Before we get to the unboxing, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. That's the white beaded bracelet over here. So Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand that's been supporting this channel, I think, for almost more than a year now. So they've been one of our best sponsors to date. They've always been there for me on the channel, and I really like their products. So if you guys want accessories that will level up your style, be it their beaded bracelets or their necklaces or other leather goods, check them out. I will link down below to them. Now, the great news is they are actually going to give you guys early access to their Black Friday sale, wherein you can get up to 30 to 50% across most of their products, all of their products, store-wide. And if you use the code Carlo, you get an additional 10% off. This is a pretty sick, dope deal. So if you guys have been thinking of buying from Rose Gold and Black, I think this is the absolute best time to do so, given the massive discounts. Check them out, Rose Gold and Black. Link down below. While I am unboxing this, guys, please do help the channel out by giving it a like, a thumbs up. So go down below right now and hit the thumbs up button. That really helps us out a lot. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment on what you guys think of this watch down below. So let's get started. As you guys can see, it comes in this really nice black BAPE box. You have the Ape logo here at the very top, and if you pop the box open, you get, just like with most limited edition G-Shocks, another box. This watch actually came out in 2018. The model is the GA110, the most, I think it's like the best-selling G-Shock model to date. They did collaborations before with Dragon Ball Z and One Piece this year. I did reviews of both watches on my dedicated YouTube channel to watches. Check that out if you haven't seen it yet. We have this in this wooden black box. You have some sort of like metal plate at the top with the logo of BAPE and then some sort of like gold camo. And then if you pop the box open, ba-bam! This is what the watch looks like. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the watch. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the 2018 BAPE G-Shock. And as you guys can see, it features that woodland camo like design that BAPE is known for the watch case as well as the straps. If you take a closer look at the dial, you have it mostly in gold. You have the BAPE logo on the right side, and everything else is pretty much what you would expect, but in gold with a GA1110 G-Shock. And just like with most GA1110s, this watch is packed with features. Everything from setting alarms, to world time, to timers, to stopwatches. A lot of the stuff that you would want to do with any tool or everyday beater watch, this can do. Who should buy the G-Shock BAPE watch? Well, it came out in 2018, so they're pretty hard to come by these days. So you will have to pay resale for them, and it can sell for over 30 to 40,000 pesos. Now, having said that, if you want to pick one up, I would strongly recommend that you make sure that, number one, you are a BAPE streetwear kind of guy and that you love G-Shocks. I think that's the only reason why you would want to pick this one up, because seeing as it is a G-Shock, it is chunky, it is big. It's not a piece that you would normally wear day to day unless, again, you are into this kind of style. Now, if you want something a little bit more subtle but you still love BAPE, I do have other recommendations that you guys might want to check out. BAPE did do they did come up with a collaboration with Seiko. I have two of the watches over here. This is the first one that they came out with that same woodland camo kind of design on the dial, and it does have that really nice black strap with BAPE written on it. This one is a little bit more expensive, sells for over 60,000 pesos if you can find one. This one is the more recent release, which is the black and gray camo design that they did, and this one has a really nice strap. As you guys can see over here, it has that same design. And this one, I think you can probably buy it anywhere from 50 to 55,000 pesos if you can find the seller. They're also kind of easier to wear. The diameter isn't as large as G-Shocks, and they do come in your, like traditional dive watches kind of look and style. Okay, so what do you guys think of the BAPE G-Shock? Let me know in the comment section. Would you rather get the BAPE G-Shock, or would you go for the Seiko G-Shock collaboration? Let me know which of the two you guys would want to get, which of the two you'd want to bring home. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. And again, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And with that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.